Hi guys, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
Good, thanks. I want to make a bet. Do you know that with this paper you can reach the moon?
No way, impossible.
Actually, it is possible.
Sandro, you told me that you want to make a bet and you want to reach the moon with this piece of paper.
Exactly.
How you want to reach the moon with this piece of paper?
Alright, I'm gonna show you how. You just have to fold it once, and then fold it again,
Okay.
and then you just keep folding it again and again and again. And
But how many times we have to fold it?
don't know, 5,000, 10,000, 69,000.
69,000. And you? What do you think?
If we assume that the initial thickness of the paper is 0.2 millimeters, and every time that we fold it, it doubles, I think it takes 42 times to actually cover the distance between the Earth and the Moon. As everyone knows, is 384,000 kilometers. And we can see, actually, it will become much more bigger. It will be 439,000. So, that's all.